Hello everybody, hello. Today is a glazing day, so let's have a look. Well, take a picture. Not of me. Okay. These are beads for totem. Totem? Totem. Is that in English as well? Totem? Okay, that broke. And that too. Maybe she didn't glue it right. Beads. I hate it when they break. Anyway, this is part of the... It's gonna be... I don't remember. Oh, here. This is how it's gonna be. Like this. And then... Oh. And then like that. And on top of this. That something like that, but it's gonna look nice all together. It's a void. It's like she's making a face. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, I did that. I'm not sure. If it's a snake, I don't know. Or something. Gonzo. Cute. Ah, I made it.
Gonzo at Caramelite.
Okay. Now. That Kochi made, and that Kochi made, and that too. Wow, nice. And that's gonna be part of the totem, and that too, and that two, and that three. It's a caterpillar, and it's cute. No?
It's hungry.
I made it.
It's a sunflower.
It's just a flower. I'm like, I lost my mind. I wish the kiln was bigger. Nice, huh? Another one. Okay. All right. Now what do we have? Oh my God. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at what happened here.
Wow.
It melted all the way. I mean, I expected it to melt, so I put it like up to here. I wiped it, but it didn't help. But it's still beautiful, no?
It is beautiful. Wow, one of the most beautiful pots.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to fix it tomorrow. No, I have a machine at work, then I can try to send it.
Can you explain about the glazes? What type of glazes and how did you get this result?
I'm still wondering what happened here. But it's just, it's a glaze that I found that I just fell in love with. It's and that's a green glaze. That's supposed to be glossy, and that's supposed to be matte.
And how did you make these shapes?
I wiped this like this glaze, and then I just poured some green. It's beautiful, but
Yeah.
okay, that planter. I like the texture. Look at that.
Oh,
What? I like it. Look at that. I popped the bubble here.
it looks like it has like a skin.
Yeah, but it's beautiful. No?
Oh,
Really? You don't like it? Wow, I think it's amazing.
no, I think.
It's beautiful.
Oh, I wouldn't say beautiful.
It's beautiful. That Kochi made it. I'll fix it. But it's nice. I like it. A flower. It's just something, I don't know.
Show it to me again. I didn't see the.
I don't know. What do you think it looks like?
Yeah, it's nice.
Different. Okay. Look at how much work I have. This shelf is like, oh. I hate it when things like that happen. Okay, now I have to see. Ah, what do you think?
Wasim.
No, it's nice. Not so many bubbles.
Very nice.
Very nice. I don't know. Okay. Perfect.
Wow.
Right? Perfect.
Yeah. It looks almost industrial.
All right. Now look at that. It's a shoe.
What size?
I don't know.
Can you try it on?
No. That's Hadass made. Nice.
What happened here?
It's one of the other student that made it, and I you know what, I like it.
Yeah.
I like it that it turned out like that. This is what she made. I think it's wonderful.
Yeah. It's unique.
Yeah. Kochi.
Yeah. It's a
Kochi.
set.
It's a set.
Oh, nice cups.
Yep. Hadass. Beautiful. Really.
Yeah.
So she has these three. Oh, that's hers as well. Nice. And that too.
Wow. That's a very nice shape.
Alright. Now, that the kid made, which is nice.
What are these? Stones?
Stones. Maybe he wanted to get stoned. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.